Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best folding sports chairs is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any sports enthusiast, whether you're tailgating at a football game, cheering from the sidelines at a soccer match, or simply enjoying a day at the park. These chairs offer a comfortable and convenient seating solution that can be easily transported and set up, transforming any outdoor space into your personal viewing lounge. They are designed to provide sturdy support and relaxation, making them an indispensable companion for all your outdoor adventures and sporting events, ensuring you never have to stand through your favorite moments again. Number 5. Coleman Portable Camping Chair with Cooler. Introducing the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. This chair is designed for maximum comfort and convenience, making any outing more enjoyable. Never be far from a cold drink again. It features a built-in cooler pouch that holds up to 4 cans, keeping your beverages refreshingly close. Experience superior comfort with a fully cushioned seat and backrest. The 18.1-inch sitting height provides excellent support for leisurely lounging. Keep your essentials within easy reach. A handy side pocket and a mesh cup holder are integrated for your convenience. Designed for life on the go, it folds down compactly. An included carry bag makes transport and storage a breeze. With a strong steel frame, this chair is built to last. It reliably supports up to 325 pounds, ensuring stability and durability. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or enjoying a day at the beach, this chair is your perfect seating solution. It's ideal for any outdoor activity. What we like. This chair features a convenient built-in cooler, perfect for keeping your drinks chilled on a hot day. It also offers a fully cushioned seat and back for maximum comfort during long events. If you're looking for a chair that keeps your refreshments close and provides a plush seating experience, this is the one for you. What people say. This chair is very comfortable and easy to set up. It is sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The cup holder is a nice feature. Number 4. Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Camp Chair, Maldives Blue. Enjoy extra stability with our unique locking feature. Simply lock it open to relax and enjoy your time outside. When it's time to leave, it folds up quickly for easy transport. Get comfortable with this foldable chair. It features no sag seating, durable ripstop polyester, and breathable mesh on the seat back for ultimate comfort. Take this comfortable seating experience wherever you go. It's perfect for tailgating, camping, or watching your favorite sports teams. This heavy-duty chair is built for adults who love the outdoors. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, it's strong and durable for all your activities. It comes with convenient features like 2 cup holders, an organizer with pockets, and a carry strap attached to the chair, along with a carry bag. What we like. The standout feature here is the unique dual lock system, providing extra stability when open and easy closure for transport. Its no-sag seating and breathable mesh back ensure comfort during extended use. If you prioritize stability and ease of use, especially when moving between locations, this chair is an excellent choice. What people say. Sturdy. Large seat. Comfortable. Pretty colors. Fold up easy. They are also super sturdy and relatively easy to fold and carry or stash in the car, although a smidge heavy. I'd rather have a little heavy chair than one I'm afraid might break when I sit in it. These chairs are easy to open close and very comfortable to sit in. The material is sturdy and comfortable to sit on in shorts or even a wet bikini. The 2 cup holders are big enough for a stainless thermal 12-ounce wine cup to fit, which is great. Any can, bottle or Yeti-type tumbler will fit too. There is a good-size miscellaneous bag pouch attached to the bottom of the seat on one side, which is great as it kind of hides whatever you stuck in there out of plain sight. Number 3. Alpha Camp Heavy Duty 500 Pounds Camping Chair. Tired of chairs that can't handle your size? This heavy-duty camping chair is built with a robust steel frame and reinforced bracing, offering exceptional stability and supporting up to 500 pounds. Enjoy peace of mind with its durable, all-season construction. Experience true comfort with its extra-wide seating and fully padded backrest, designed specifically for larger individuals. You'll feel like you're sitting on a sofa, even in the great outdoors. Keep your refreshments cool and your essentials close at hand. It features a convenient built-in cooler bag, a spacious cup holder, and a side pocket for your phone or snacks. Set up and pack away in seconds, no tools required. Its foldable design and included heavy-duty carry bag with a shoulder strap make it incredibly easy to take anywhere. Perfect for camping, fishing, tailgating, or simply relaxing. Crafted from durable, tear-resistant Oxford fabric, it's designed to be your reliable outdoor gear for years to come. What we like. This chair boasts an impressive 500 pounds weight capacity and oversized seating, making it ideal for larger individuals. It also includes an integrated cooler bag to keep your drinks cold. If you're a big and tall person seeking a robust, comfortable, and convenient seating solution, this heavy-duty option is designed with you in mind. What people say. Big and comfortable. Sturdy with cup holder and a storage pouch. The cup holder is big enough to hold a 33-ounce bottle of smart water but not too big that your smaller drinks don't sit right in there. The pocket below the cup holder is nice to place snacks, or smaller things you want near you. The pocket on the left arm is great because it velcros and zips, and is a good size to hold snacks, plasticware, a 12-ounce can, or even a small handgun. This chair is extremely sturdy as well. The material it is made of is great. Very sturdy. Should be great in any outdoor situation. Good storage options for cooled goods, phones or books. Number 2. KingCamp Folding Camping Chair. Introducing the KingCamp Folding Camping Chair, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. This heavy-duty chair is designed for maximum comfort and portability. Don't let its compact size fool you, this chair offers exceptional support, holding up to 396 pounds. It's the perfect space-saving seating solution for any trip. Experience unparalleled comfort with its padded seat, back, and armrests. Relax and unwind after a long day of activities. Packing up is a breeze. This chair folds up easily, making it incredibly portable for all your adventures, from camping to tailgating. Keep your essentials close at hand with the convenient fold-away side table, complete with a drink holder. Plus, side pockets are perfect for your phone or wallet. Whether you're camping, attending a sporting event, or fishing, this chair is designed for your enjoyment. Its sturdy build and thoughtful features make it a must-have. What we like. This chair offers a convenient fold-away side table with a drink holder, perfect for keeping your essentials handy. Its director's-style design and padded armrests provide a comfortable and elevated seating experience. If you appreciate having a dedicated spot for your drinks and snacks while enjoying a more structured seating position, this chair is a great pick. What people say. It is sturdy, it folds easy, and it is comfortable. The frame is great. The side table is a great bonus. And the side pockets are a wonderful addition. These chairs are very easy to use and to transport. Very good for events or camping. Chairs are strong, sturdy and comfortable. Very nice looking and have a drink holder and a small tray. Number 1. Trademark Innovations Folding Outdoor Beach Camp Chair. Introducing the ultimate chair for all your outdoor adventures. Whether you're at the beach, camping, or just relaxing in your backyard, this chair is designed for your comfort. Crafted with durable steel tubing and robust 600D polyester fabric with a PVC coating, it's built to withstand the elements and provide reliable support for years to come. Enjoy ample space with its generous dimensions, measuring 18 inches long and 31 inches wide from arm to arm. It offers a comfortable seating experience for everyone. Stay refreshed with the built-in cup holder, perfect for keeping your drink within easy reach. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. When your adventure is over, it conveniently folds flat for easy storage. Take it anywhere with ease, thanks to its portable design. With a weight capacity of 220 pounds, it's ready to support you through countless outdoor activities. Get yours today and elevate your outdoor experience. What we like. This chair is designed for simplicity and ease of use, featuring a lightweight construction and straightforward folding mechanism for effortless storage and transport. It includes a basic cup holder for convenience. If you need a no-fuss, portable chair for casual outings and don't require many extra features, this option is a practical and budget-friendly choice. What people say. This chair is well made and it feels strong. It fits perfect and doesn't take up much room. This chair is comfortable, sturdy, and easy to transport. It opens and folds smoothly and doesn't feel flimsy when you sit in it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.